I'm going to seal in the sketch. I have some clear acrylic matte medium mixed with a little bit of titanium white. Oh, not a lot. I'd say just a little dab from the palette knife is all you need. And what I'm going to do is seal in this colored pencil sketch just to mute it a little bit, so that when I paint I don't have to cover so much of that texture of the pencil, and also some of the color, like in the white of the children's clothes, I want to shift that from that kind of sepia tone to something that'll work better with white. So I have this mixed here, and I'm just going to go and quickly make sure I have no dust on the painting. In fact, better than using my hand, let's just go like this. And so the sketch, first of all, you want to have the sketch sealed in completely with clear acrylic matte medium. So this would be the second layer of that. Just muting the sketch a little bit, and I think that would be the appropriate term to call this, muting the sketch, because I already sealed it in with the clear acrylic medium. I'm just going to start at the top and work my way across. Sometimes you can pick up little pieces of dust and crazy things in the process of. The idea is just when you test it by brushing this on the surface, if you can see that you've muted it just a little bit, that's good. And it seems like that's what we have. And by the way, your brush strokes should be going from left to right, just like this, working with the length of the painting, not vertically. If the canvas was oriented vertically, then you should brush in that same direction. But since it's oriented horizontally, I want to brush horizontally and just evenly cover it, working from top down. And that way we're not going to have any strange textures or anything that'll be hard to paint over when we get into the detail work. Excuse me. But that is pretty much how you do it. Then what I'll do is just allow this to dry for about 15 minutes to a half an hour, and if need be I'll add another layer, or if it looks good I'll get into the painting process. But this is how you mute down a sketch for preparation and painting in the glazing technique. So if you're watching this at realisticacrylic.com, you can just skip ahead to the next lesson, but if you're watching this on YouTube or somewhere else, I'd sure appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And also you can subscribe to this channel for notifications of more tutorials like this. Try to put out a tutorial at least once a week. And then if you go to realisticacrylic.com, you can find more tutorials, both video and written, that you can use to improve in your acrylic portrait painting skills. So anyway, hope you found this helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless. Talk to you soon.